What's up, dear viewers? In this video I'm going to talk about eCitizen. So in this video I want to show you how to log in to eCitizen, how to apply for example, affordable housing, that is Boma Yangu, and how to request a refund if you've already made some payment but you change your mind in between and you want some refund for them to refund your money. So you just need to go to your Play Store. So here is where you can find the app and search for eCitizen eCitizen app Kenya. So this is the app. You need to download eCitizen Services mobile app. So since I've already installed, I just need to open. Then I can either get started here, okay, or I just need to sign in. So I just create an account. If you already have an account, you just need to log in. So I will just log into my account. Okay. So I'm focusing on Boma Yangu, but there are many services here, government services in one application. You can see Boma Yangu. Here is where you can pay affordable houses. I think there is also help. You can also pay for your help. You can check for many government services, including registrar of marriages. If you want to register your marriage, etc. So I'm just going to go straight to Boma Yangu. Just click on Boma Yangu, and then I'll just close here, and then I will log in, and then I want to log in for home applicants. So these are the people who are applying for the houses, for the affordable houses, all over the country. So whichever your location, you can just use eCitizen. Just click login. So I think I've made some deposit, and just for demonstration, we are going to request a refund. So for here, you can check, you can start if you want to check for your house, etc. Whichever house you want to be allocated. So these are the affordable housing. So for example, you can choose, you can view from here all these, and then for example, if you're in, is it this Kamumu or Kisumu? For example, in Nairobi County, so just click view Nairobi County. Okay, construction in progress, so these are not complete yet. Complete Serenity Estate, so you can view, and from here you can select whichever you want. This one is sold out. You can select whichever you want, and then you can start making your payment. So I'm going to go to how you make your payment. So for example, me, I applied for this one bedroom in Bahati Nakuru, and if you go to my savings, you see you're just required a deposit of 75,000. Total amount required from you is about 1.5 million Kenya shillings. So, and just like that, you can own a home. So down here, if you go, I have my savings. Okay, you can see here you have option to request refund request. So you can just click, and then okay, then proceed. So I already have a pending refund, so you can go back. go back to our account, to Boma Yangu. Sorry for this. There's something I want to show you. If, for example, you've already applied for a refund and you need to just go and complete. So if I go here, I can go down. I want to go to Boma Yangu. So it's loading. Can just wait. I want to go to home. Let me confirm I still have my Wi-Fi. It's connected. I think I've lost my Wi-Fi. So I will repeat the process. Instead of creating an account, I'm logged in. So just scroll down. I want to go to Boma Yangu. I want to request a refund. I just paid. You can just deposit. You can pay as low as you want, starting from 200 until you complete the deposit. So if I go here, I can go direct to savings. Okay, and then here I can change from savings to refund requests, and down here you will see there is some draft, so it's not complete. I will just edit, just write any reason I changed my mind. Next. Okay, they will send OTP. So here is my OTP. I will copy and paste here. Just remove the ad. Okay, I can't do that, so just open. $21.87. Okay, continue. $21.87, not 787. Verify. Okay, I have some letters, so I will just upload. So you need to go and create the letter and just sign the letter manually, and then scan, and then you can download it, and then you can upload. So I'll go to next. So my status is verified. I mean, request refund. My request refund is verified. So I think at this point I just wait. I'll just wait to, I think the last one is 54.69. I'll just wait to receive my money back. I think it will take a process. Verify OTP. Upload the file. I can upload this one. I'll just remove. I upload the PDF instead. Remove the ad. Then I'll go next. So you can see it up there, request refund has been verified. I don't know, but I haven't yet received the money. I hope it will process in the maybe today or tomorrow. I think um, today is on a Friday, so it's not working hours. It's on a Friday about 18:38, so this is not working hours. So I hope by Monday I will receive the refund, and still the 200 is not much, so I'm not going to lose much. So for example, if you had deposited almost half of this, maybe that's all 40,000, so that's how you can refund your money. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.